Have you ever faced someone who is difficult and seemed impossible to reason with? Someone hostile or intimidating? It's easy to react with fear, anger, or frustration. But what if the answer isn't confrontation, but understanding? What if, instead of seeing an enemy, you could see potential, their skills, their experiences, even their struggles, and use that insight to create a solution that benefits everyone? Today's story will show how calm thinking, empathy, and thoughtful action can turn even the most unlikely situations into opportunity. In a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young merchant named Lucas, known for his quick wit and honest dealings. He had been saving money for years, hoping to buy spices from the town market and start his own trading business. One sunny morning, Lucas set off on the road, carrying a pouch of gold coins he had saved with great care. The road passed through dense forests and quiet stretches where few travelers dared to go alone. As he walked through a secluded part of the forest, a broad man stepped out from behind a tree. His face was stern, and he carried a heavy wooden club. This was Jakob, a notorious robber who had troubled travelers in the area for months. "Stop right there," Jakob growled. "Hand over that pouch at your belt, or you'll regret it." Lucas's heart pounded, but he kept his voice steady, and with his quick wit, he said calmly, "You must be very skilled to know I'm carrying something of value. Tell me, how did you know?" Jakob straightened with pride, and also shocked by his calmness, said, "First, your shoes, well-made leather, worn at the heels. That tells me you walk long distances, not for leisure, but for business. Second, your clothes, clean and carefully mended, but not expensive. That means you earn steadily and are probably saving for something important. Third, I see faint ink stains. That is for a man who keeps accounts and works with money. And I also noticed you keep unconsciously touching your left side where that pouch is hanging. A nervous habit of someone protecting something valuable. Altogether, it's clear you are no ordinary traveler." "Brilliant analysis." Lucas nodded. "Your observation is remarkable. You notice details most people miss. But imagine what your skills could do in honest trade. You could be a great merchant, not just a feared robber." "Why would you even help me?" Jacob frowned, puzzled by his kindness. Lucas smiled gently and said, "Because I see more than just a thief standing before me. You're intelligent, observant, and capable of more than robbery. Both merchants and thieves rely on intelligence and keen observation. But here lies the difference. A thief uses these gifts only to take from others, while a merchant uses them to create value and give in return. But if you walk beside me, we can use it together. Your ability to read people could help us both succeed." Jakob lowered his club. He had expected to take the gold by force, but instead he was being offered trust and a chance to change his life. 6 months later, Lucas and Jakob ran a thriving spice trade in nearby towns. Jakob's gift for reading people made him an excellent salesman, and Lucas's honesty built trust with every customer. What began as a robbery had turned into a partnership built on respect and collaboration. The story of Lucas and Jakob teaches us a simple but powerful lesson. Empathy, understanding, and thoughtful action can turn conflicts into opportunities, and recognizing potential in others can create partnerships and success that benefit everyone. Whenever you face a difficult person or a challenging situation, remember, the way you respond can change the outcome. You don't always need to fight or run. By observing carefully, acting wisely, and offering trust where possible, you can transform an obstacle into a chance for growth, for yourself and for others. If you like this story, please like and subscribe. Mind Thrill Stories.